Masaya, makule, at doble-doble. Na kayo lililining kaya kayong mata. Tutong adwa-adwain kaya kayong akakit. Uling mi daw ing sikat na Kambal Festival ning Angeles City. Basic ing Angeles City Information Office, inining peka ing granding Kambal Festival, uling featured lakeni ring 41 floats, 48 twin participants, at 930 street dancers. Highlight na ning mesabing piyesta ing cultural heritage na ning Syudad Angeles nung nukarin pinaradala ring float, kotse, kambal, at talaterak. Marakal laman deng mekyabe, king tauli, may pili larin rin peka magaling, peka masanting, at peka memorabli. Para king float competition, may pili ang grand winner ing Barangay Pulumbulo ang may katanggap 300,000 pesos. First runner-up yung Barangay Ninoy Aquino ang may kanikwang 100,000 pesos. Kabang second runner-up yung Barangay Pampang ang midi ng 50,000 pesos ang timong cash prize. Most festive float naman ing Barangay Anunas. Samantala, para kay Best Identical Twins, adwalang kategorya rin peglabanan na rin participants. Keng Category A, grand winner la rin kambala pambato ning Barangay Pampang. Deng twin participants iba't Barangay Amsik, deng may pili naman ang timong first runner-up. At second runner-up yung Barangay Pulong Kakutod. For Best Identical Twins Category B, grand winner yung Barangay Pulumbulo. Kabang first runner-up yung Barangay Pampang, at second runner-up naman ing Barangay Pandan. Cha 100,000 pesos na rin grand winners. 50,000 pesos para kay second runner-ups king balang kategorya at 30,000 pesos naman ing ikwada ring third runner-ups. Para kay street dance competition elementary category, grand winner and best in costume deng ikwa ng galal ning Gueco Balibago Elementary School. First runner-up naman at best in headdress ing Air Force City Elementary School. Kabang second runner-up yung Don Pepe Henson Memorial School. King High School category, grand winner and best in headdress na ring street dancers ning Angeles City National Trade School. Kabang first runner-up yung Francisco G. Nepomuceno Memorial High School. At second runner-up la, rin participants iba't Holy Angel University. Best in costume naman ing Sitio Target Integrated School. Cha 200,000 pesos na rin grand winners. 100,000 pesos para ka ring second runner-ups, at 50,000 pesos naman ng ikwadring third runner-ups king balang kategorya. Pinuri na namang Mayor Carmelo Pogi Lasatin Jr. ring 83 barangay, ang Mikyabek and Festival, uling for the first time ever kanu, atin lang ang entry king best float, at most identical twins competition ding eganaga ng barangay ng syudad.
Maraming salamat po sa ating mga barangay officials at ating mga kababayang Angeleños para sa inyong suporta sa ating selebrasyon na ngayong taon. Magpasalamat ko rin po kareng kay katamong kawani naning syudad tamo na nagsilbi miyembro naning organizing committee naning Kambal Festival. Hindi po matatawaran ang inyong sipag at dedikasyon para siguraduhin matagumpay ang ating selebrasyon. At dahil dito, gusto ko po ngayong fiesta na mas masaya po ang ginawa po natin ngayon.
Makaayon naman ni Vice Mayor Vicky Vega kabigting kang Lasatin, uling ikit ng saya karang Angeleño at Tinagon. Dinina namo namang ulagay ang komunidad at pamagbalawas king kultura, ikit na pauli ng Kambal Festival.
This is the happiest kasi naka-join po kami sa parade. Tuwang-tuwa po ako because we could see the joy ng ating pong mga fellow Angeleño. Yung second day po, we could see our community, ang komunidad working together. So there's a sense of community, of coming together. Last but not the least, yung atin pong pagpapatuloy ng kultura at ng ating tradisyon. So this is very important for the next generation.
Sa celebran niya yung Kambal Festival king Angeles City, bang pagmasusyon niya yung kapiesta ning Our Lady of the Most Holy Rosary of La Naval at ing fiesta ning Apong Mamakalulu. Arlen Salonga, CLTV36 News.